The Food Service Exchange presents.
Joining me is Bill Verity from Crown Verity Barbecues in Brantford, Ontario, with our barbecue tip.
Okay, Murray, what we're going to do, we're going to clean the grates. We take one of our Crown Verity brushes and we're going to dip it in water. And this grill's nice and hot, so when we apply it just steams it right off. There's nothing like steam to clean.
Boy, that's a good tip, Bill. I've never done it that way. You're right.
And
It takes it right off.
This grill's not very dirty, but
No.
when it's got a lot of debris, it'll steam clean it. In the wintertime, you just reach behind you, get a little snow on your brush, and away you go. When you do this, Murray, you're going to want the grill at probably 400 degrees.
Minimum 400,
Yeah.
eh? Yeah.
The hotter the better,
Yes.
and it's going to steam clean it.